Jave Beats exclusive.
Welcome to Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you guys how to bake a delicious carrot cake. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click that notification bell to get further contents like these. The ingredients for this carrot cake will be down in the description box, so you guys can just go there and check it out. Here's a recipe for your delicious carrot cake. I'm using 2 carrots, 2 cups of flour, 4 eggs, half teaspoon salt, 1 cup of sugar, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon cinnamon, half teaspoon mixed spice, 1/4 cup of raisin, 1 tablespoon of orange zest, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and also half cup of oil and 1 tablespoon of orange juice. Now guys, I'm going to start out with my oil, my sugar, and then I start to whipping that now guys. Start to give it a whip. Start to apply your eggs. This is how you want it look guys, just like that. Do this for about 5 minutes guys. Now I'm going to put this one side. I'm going to start with my flour in a different basin. See my salt, my mixed spice, my baking soda, my baking powder, also my cinnamon. Now guys, I'm just going to use a fork. Just give that a stir. Just mix up those ingredients. Like that guys. Now I'm going to apply this to my egg and my mixture I was mixing before. Not too much. That's half of it. And just like give that the next whipping again. Now guys, I add the next half of my flour. Mix through it. And start to whip it again guys. I start to add my orange zest into it. My vanilla. And also my orange juice. I'll start giving that a mix again. Now I'm going to start to add my carrots. Guys, this is how you want your carrots to look when you grate them. You use this side of the grater to grate your carrot. This is how you want it to look guys, just like that. I'm just using half of it first. And then give that a mix. apply the rest. So that, guys, mix it in. In the meanwhile, you're mixing the mixture. You preheat your oven to gas mark 340 Fahrenheit. Just like this, guys. This is how you want your mixer to look, guys. Just like this. Put your carrots in it. Now I'm going to add my raisins to it. You don't have to. If you don't want to add no raisin, it's up to you, but I'm adding raisin to mine. Just like that, guys. Mixing your raisins. Give that good mix. I'm going to oil my tin. Meanwhile, the oven is preheating. I'm using a light sunflower spray oil just to oil it. Just going to use a brush, spread that around. Just like that, guys. Using some flour so that my cake don't stick to the bottom of the pan. And just spread that around, guys, just like that. Make sure your flour go all over on the side, guys. Now, guys, I'm finished oiling my tin. I'm putting in my flour, and this is how you want it to look. Just like that, guys. Now I'm going to apply my mixture into it. Just like that, guys. Now I'm just going to give this a shake. My oven is preheated. I'm going to put my cake, carrot cake, in the middle. I'm going to leave it for 90 minutes. Just like that, guys. Now my cake is finished after the 90 minutes. I'm just going to use my knife and give it a test to see. Yes, guys, it's not wet. So you know the cake is well baked. So now, guys, I'm going to leave it here for about 10 to 15 minutes before I take it out the tin. Let it cool. I have removed my cake from the tin because it's cool. So I'm going to cut a slice to see the texture of it. Guys, just like that. Get soft and moist. That, guys, looking lovely. All that carrot in there. So, guys, that's how you want your cake to look. Just like that. Don't forget to make it Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click that notification bell.